Okay, this is question number 2 in the sample exam, and this is a question about quantum numbers. So it says which of the following set of quantum numbers will not be permissible. Okay, so that's the keyword here, will not. So the keyword here is would not, so you got to find the one that doesn't work out. And of course, in order to be able to find the one that's wrong, you have to know the rules of quantum numbers. And remember that we have 4 different quantum numbers as shown here. N, the principal quantum number, could be one of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., whole numbers, positive. L, which is the angular momentum quantum number, starts from 0 and goes all the way to n minus 1, okay? And so if your n is 2, your L could be 0 and 1, for example. And then the m sub L, or the magnetic angular momentum quantum number, goes from values of negative L to positive L. And then the spin quantum number is, for each L value, you can have 2 values of m sub S, which is plus or minus half for each L value. Okay, so they're all, as you can see, dependent on each other, except for n, which is basically the one that starts the trend in the quantum number. So what we need to look at is if there's any one of these set that doesn't satisfy the rules that are outlined here. And if you look carefully, the first one, we have 8. 2 is less than 8, so that's okay. M sub L can go from negative L to plus L, so that's okay, and plus 1/2. So all of that is fine, so no problem with that one. Let's take a look at the second one. 9, 8 is less than 9, so that's good. Negative 4 could be a possibility because it goes from negative 8 to positive 8. Plus 1/2, of course, is fine as well. So that's also good. Let's take a look at the third one. Now, this one we have a problem because n is 6, but L is also 6. And according to our rules, L can only be up to n minus 1. So the L here has to be a maximum of 5, but we have a L of 6, so that is our answer in this case, C.